Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can fix lag in chess.com. Now, one of the main issues when it comes to lag is the time of day you are in the website, because the more players, the heavier the traffic, and the heavier the traffic, plus if you're using, say, Google Chrome like what we're doing right now, it's going to lag a bit more than usual. But if you want to check out how to fix this, it's quite simple. There are two ways to do it in a Windows PC. First, go to speed test and just click your speed, see whether or not it's up to par with your average speed when you're using it. So as you can see here, pretty much the same speed that we have usually for me, my own personal speed when it comes to using our internet. So that's fine, right? Another thing you can do is if you see this icon here, network icon, I want you to right click on this, and then there's going to be a pop-up that appears. It's going to have two options: diagnose network problems or network and internet settings. I want you to click on diagnose network problems like so. So when this pops up, as you can see, it says you're connected to the internet. We didn't find any problems with your network. So our network is fine. Sometimes it's going to say you're connected to the internet, but the connection might be low quality or low. So when you see that, you can click run network tests. And if it's slow, it's going to say here an option that says reset your router. When you do that, you'll be able to have a faster connection and you'll be able to avoid lag in your chess.com game. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.